you'll see, legends, that they have doubled the rebar, 16mm rebar, and they have they're tying on smaller stirrups, steel rings, to further reinforce it. This is really going to be a strong structure. Right, legends, welcome to the Miles Roldan YouTube channel and to vlog 191 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. So welcome. We're in Sapian, Capiz, and I'm going to give you this update on my dream home building project. And you would have seen from the entrance scene that we have already begun this center, the laying of hollow blocks on top of the top floor, the third floor beams, which will help hide the roof. So it's looking awesome. I'm very happy with it. I'm very pleased with it. Aesthetically, from the ground, it looks like a very tall building, sturdy building, and work is ongoing. It's the beginning of the week, it's Tuesday. Let's get up there and give you a more closer update. On with the vlog. So legends, before we get to the top floor, you'll see that we have received a delivery of 200 hollow blocks from our supplier, our trusted friend Gap. And again, the gang are working smart, not hard. We have a little device that allows us to bring up the hollow blocks safely without all the footsteps that are involved. So yeah, we've had a delivery of 200. I know that that's not 200 there, but we had a delivery of 200 yesterday, and the majority of them are now on this wall as well as the side there, and I imagine they will begin the wall on this side at the top to cover what will eventually be the install of the roof. Right, legends, I'm on the 3rd floor of the dream home building project, and you'll already see from the inside we have 4 rows or 4 patong of hollow blocks that are sitting on top of these beams, and this will form the box type design that we're looking for, and will conceal the roof that will be at a 45-degree angle, allowing the water to slide off it when it rains. But the idea of this wall or this design work here is to obviously provide a windbreak for the roof. So if we have a typhoon, we're hoping that all of this design work will serve its purpose and stop the long span metal work from lifting with the wind, because it has a strong windbreak. So that's the theory. Much like our neighbours over here, who have a very similar design to us, or we have a similar design to them. It's a box type. I like those straight edges, quite modern, and it conceals a long span roof that is at an angle, and that will provide a decent enough cover or a windbreak should a very big gust of wind come along, and it shouldn't lift the roof. It should stop the roof from lifting. That's the theory anyway. So you'll see Boss Nanti is mixing various mixes for various formulas for concrete, some without stone, some with stone, because we are what looks like doing various jobs on these beams, including the center, the laying of hollow blocks on this side. So I'll be able to show you that in this vlog 191. I hope you're enjoying it thus far. The last vlog that you would have seen was vlog 189 regarding this dream home building project, and these beams were actually being laid in their formas, in their plywood molds. You'll see that this morning they removed those molds and began the laying of these hollow blocks, and what's left behind are very sturdy beams. I'm very happy with them. And yeah, looks like Nunai Jovin and Foreman Rocky will begin the center, the laying of hollow blocks on this side. Sabong, Noi, you will lay hollow block Sabong now? Very good. So Nunai Jovin is just preparing for what will be eventually the laying of hollow blocks on this side, the off side of the bakery, to start this this box type design. So legends, this formula of concrete will be put into these posts or these columns here that Tannoy is preparing with rebar, which will just strengthen this whole wall, because there is a reinforced column in there, and that's why there's stones. So we're gonna put one on either end, and one in the middle. We'll put the former around that, the plywood former, and we'll pour this this concrete in. And this formula here of concrete without stones is for the laying of hollow blocks, which will eventually begin here. As they bring more hollow blocks in from the ground floor, you would have seen we were using our handy device, and now the final stretch is Jobert bringing all of those hollow blocks from the second floor up the ladder to Nunoi Jovin on the third floor. We're a bit short on men today. Gibson is at school, half day Gibson is at school, training to be in the Philippine Army, but it's okay.
Right there.
Foreman Rocky is starting the chain onto Jobert and then up the ladder to Nunoi Jovin, who then carefully lays them down. While Tanoi is in charge of the columns, the posties. Wow. How long Tanoi? Grabe mo. Brave ka, hindi ka hadlock. Hadlock good. Yeah. This is very scary work, legends. Tanoi, once he arrives at that point, will be a good 15 meters off the roadside level, the ground level. So yeah, very daunting work, but he has faith in his skills and his every step is a sure step. He's got the welding machine. From what it looks like, he's going to do some welding over here to make sure everything is hooked on and welded as well as tied on. So various moving parts for this, legends. I hope you are enjoying vlog 191. We're back here on the Dream Home Building project. We spent vlog 190 at my father's aqua farm, fish farm, which has gained some traction again on YouTube, and the views are ever increasing. Thank you for your support. Keep continuing to view the content, and if you enjoy it, share it, hit that like button, and of course if you're new and you want to show us some love and appreciation, hit that subscribe button and get those regular notifications for when we upload a new video. Very delicate work, legends. I mean, the hollow blocks are at a very fragile state. They are strong, however, they can break and crumble. So you have to be quite gentle with them. But once they are laid like this and further reinforcement is given to them, they then become more or less indestructible. You'll then need to put a sledgehammer onto them. Weather-wise, it's turned out to be an awesome day, legends. A lovely fine day here in the Philippines, in Sapian, Capiz. Capiz is the seafood capital of the Philippines, where a huge percentage of the country's main staple food supply, seafood, comes from. So Foreman Rocky is up there now with Nunoi Jovin assisting him as he's skilled, and we have Jobert who will assist as the labourer, bringing this cement over as well as hollow blocks. And hopefully by the end of this vlog you'll see a wall forming, if not complete. We'll see how much time we have. But yeah, welcome to vlog 191. Remember, if you are enjoying this content and you wish to see more like this, check out our other platforms on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Search Miles Roldan on those platforms, and you'll see our other content, our short form content on those platforms. Hit the follow button as well, but the main thing is hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel for regular updates. Hanoi is doing his welding. You'll see, legends, a little bit of 16 mm rebar poking through there. That's going throughout the whole wall, and that is there just to reinforce it. Tannoy is walking along and making sure that there are ties, alumbri, wire, steel wire ties on each dowel rod that's poking up, meeting the cross rod. Really fine day today, glorious day here in the Philippines.
Babalik sa pero sa iba.
So you'll see, legends, that the foreman Rocky and Tannoy are now plugging up this hole with a plywood former, ready to pour concrete here to erect a column, and that is full of 16 mm rebar, and that will just reinforce both walls, this side and this side, all structural. The Centaur continues with Nuno Jovin on this side. Looks like he's completed the first base row, and then he'll be getting onto the second row of hollow blocks. You'll see, legends, that they have doubled the rebar, 16mm rebar, and they have they're tying on smaller stirrups, steel rings, to further reinforce it. This is really going to be a strong structure. And as always, this will all be covered in concrete, so yeah, no question of a doubt, Foreman Rocky and the rest of the gang are really making sure this is a sturdy building. I'm so grateful. oy. Malipis sa tatyaw.
Mm.
Oh, boss. 'Right, legends, that's it for vlog 191. 191 is in the can. I'm gonna go edit it now. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that share button, and of course, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, thank you so much. I can't do this without you. I'll see you in the next vlog, which will be 192. 192 is next. It's me, myself, and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.